Vietnamese herbal drinks or nước has been a highly requested recipe on my channel over the years, but as the ingredients are so hard to find overseas, I couldn't make it until today. If you can get hold of the ingredients, join me today to make 4 refreshing herbal drinks to kill the summer heat. Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes!
For the aloe vera drink with chia seeds, you will need 2 branches of aloe vera, 50 grams of corn silk, rock sugar, and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and 10 pandan leaves. Peel the aloe vera. Finely dice the flesh. Then rinse a few times with salt to remove the pungency. Bring a pot of water to a boil and then add the corn silk, pandan leaves, and rock sugar, and bring to a boil for about 10 minutes until the sugar dissolves. Add the aloe vera and simmer until it's float to the surface. Turn off the heat, add chia seeds, and transfer into bottles. Seaweed drinks is also very popular these days. You will need 10 grams seaweed, 5 grams sea moss, 5 grams Romania, 2 grams goji berries and 5 grams longanids, and 40 grams of rock sugar. Soak the seaweed for about 5 minutes and then rinse a few times with cold water to clean the sand. Combine all the ingredients except for the acorn sea moss into a pot with 1.2 liters of water and the rock sugar, and bring to a boil for about 15 minutes. Leave to cool and strain, and then transfer to bottles and store in the refrigerator. Serve cool with the acorn sea moss. Next recipe is chamomile, longanids, and butterfly pea drink. You will need 20 grams of dry chamomile, 5 grams longanids, a bunch of pandan leaves, 10 butterfly blue bee, rock sugar, and purified water. Soak the 20 grams of chamomile in water for 15 minutes until bloomed. Then wash thoroughly and put in a pot with 1 liter of purified water and 10 pandan leaves, and bring to a boil for about 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and add 5 butterfly peas flowers and leave for about 5 minutes. Then strain out the leftovers and add the longanids and chill. Final recipe is traditional herbal drink. You will need 2 liters of purified water, 10 pandan leaves, 2 pieces of sugar cane, 50 grams of corn silk, 1 monk fruit, and other herbal grasses of your choice, and 40 grams of rock sugar. Firstly, split the sugar cane into sticks and then slightly bruise. If you buy dry ingredients, soak in water for about 15 minutes and then rinse. If you buy fresh ones, just rinse well a few times. Then put all into a pot with the water. Use scissors to cut the monk fruit into pieces. It will give the drink a nice amber color. Add a bunch of pandan leaves for aroma. The attractive aroma and natural sweetness of these herbal ingredients will create a very nice flavor, especially when you are very thirsty. Bring to a boil and simmer for about 30 minutes and then strain to remove the leftovers. This herbal drink tastes a lot better when it's served cold, and you can transfer to bottles and store in the refrigerator to drink daily with ice cubes if you like. I hope you enjoyed today's awesome herbal drinks. Let me know if you give them a try. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. I will see you then next time. Bye bye!